Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I received a message someone want to know how to scan documents from Canon printer to computer or laptop. This is Canon MG3650 and I'm going to show you how to scan document from here to your laptop. To scan a document, you need to stick the document you want to scan on top of the glass scanner. And another thing is you need to make sure the printer is connected to a Wi-Fi network. So the printer and the laptop both are connected to the same network. Then you need to download the software and the driver to your computer. Then connect both together. Now we're going to go to, once it's connected, you need to go to Image Garden. So open up Image Garden. So this is the Image Garden. And from the Image Garden, you will see from the guide menu, you will see print. The first one, print, organize file, scan. So we need to select scan. So select scan. And when you select scan, then you can see author. The next thing you see is photo, PDF document, custom, stitch, and driver. Select PDF document. And once you select PDF document, and this, it will start to prepare, and now it's scanning. There we go. And the next thing to do, if you want to scan the second page, you can turn it upside down. So close it and select scan again. You can do this as many time as you like. Then click exit to finish. Now this is the document. Open it up. This is the document we scan. Open it. This is the document we scan. 1 and 2. This is the first and second one. Now if you want to save this document, make sure you select the third as the second. Then go to on top and select file. To save the document, select file. Then scroll down to save. Then the next thing to do, wherever you want to save this document to your computer, you need to make sure you select browse where you want to save. So select browse. Then you decide where you want to save this document. Let's say we want to save it in the document folder. You select document. And the next thing is for you can also name the document. So you type your name to remember it. Once you type your name, then click, then you select PDF. And select save. Now this document is saving. Now it's saved. If you want to print it out, the next thing to do is you need to go on top again on select file. When you select file, scroll down to print. And it's getting ready. Now it gives you option. Make sure you select the correct printer. MG 3600 series is this printer. Then you select the paper size is A4 paper. Then the next is media type is plain paper. Once you've done that, then also you can also print range setting. You select print range setting. Then if you want to print only or page 1, you select page 1. If you want to print all, the select all. So what we selected now is print all. You also have advanced setting. With advanced setting, it give you option for you to select the print quality, standard, draft, or custom. So now the next thing to do is select print. Now this document is going to print out now. Here we go. This is the first one. Okay, this is the first document we printed out. This is the last, okay, but not the least. Okay, so this is the document we scan, printed it out. Now another thing I want to show you is if you want to share this document with somebody, now our job with the image garden is pretty much done. Then you close it. Okay, then the next thing to do, you need to go to your email address to attach, select new. Okay, if you want to send it to somebody, select new. Then you type the email address of the person you want to send this to. So I'm going to send it back to myself. Okay, now then you go to your select insert. Okay, when you select insert, then you go to file. Okay, then the next thing to do, you need to go to document. When you select file, then you need to go to document. Okay, and type the name of the document you save and search it. Or you can also type the date you scan the document or you save the document. So I'm going to put the date. Here we go. So once you put the date, it will show you the date you save the document in your computer. Okay, once you put the date, or if you remember the name, then you type the name on the search bar for you to be able to see the document. So we'll find the document, select on it. Okay, open it up. Once you open it up, then it will attach to the inbox, to the email address. Then you send it, then you put the subject, put the e-message you want to send to the person, for instance. Okay, then click send. So what you need to do, you need to attach the document. Okay, once you insert, select new. Okay, select new, go to insert, select file, then go to the document. When you select the document, then you type the date you save the document. Okay, once you type the date, the document will show up. Here we go. This is the document. Okay, click it open. Now you attach it to the inbox. Put the email address of the person you want to send this to. Okay, then click send on top. Then you click send. Now this document is sent to my inbox. Okay, and the first one we sent earlier on is already arrived to my inbox. This is the first one. Click it open. Okay, and this is the document will scan and send to my email address. And this is the second one, also just arrived. Open it up. Okay, so this is how to scan your document, attach it to your email address, and send it to somebody. I received this question. Someone wants to know how to print from laptop to printer. Okay, so the printer I'm using is Canon printer MG3650. This printer is multifunctional printer. I can print, copy, and scan with this printer. Now my laptop is Acer Aspire 5, for instance. Okay, so to print from your laptop, what you need to do is, before you do this, you need to make sure your laptop and your printer both are connected to the same network. Top, you need to go to File Explorer, select on it. When you select your File Explorer, depending on where you save the document, okay, my document is saved, okay, on the document file. So select document file. When you select document file, then you need to scroll down to select the specific document you want to print. Okay, so scroll down to select the document. Okay, and this is the document I want to print that got Vincent name on it. Select on it. Okay, you can double click it. So if you click it twice, okay, it will open. Then you need to scroll down and check the document you want to print is the correct one. If you are happy with it, okay, the next thing to do is to print out this document, the file you want to print. You need to go on top. Okay, you can see, you will see printer image. You will also see save image. So select printer image, go on top, select printer image. When you select the printer image, then you need to look on your left side, you will see printer print will pop up for you to select the correct printer, select so many other things. So first of all, we need to select the correct printer. My printer is Canon printer MG, so we need to scroll down to look for the printer, and this is the printer Canon MG 3600 series. Select on it. So when you select on it, the next thing to do is you need to select copies, how many copies of the document you want to print out, like how many copies of this. If you want to, so you need put your, so you can type how many copies, like 30 or 20, depending on how many copies you want. So you can use up and down arrow to select the number. Okay, so you can use up and down arrow, up to increase it, down to decrease. Now once you've done the copies, the next is pages. So if you want to print all the pages, then you need to select all. If you want to print odd page only, odd pages like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, okay, then you select to print odd pages. If you want to print even pages, then you select even pages. Even pages are like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and etc. Now if you want to print, maybe if you have so many documents, okay, maybe document like with number 1 to 20 pages, and you want to print only specific page, maybe from 1 to 10 or 1 to 8, so you can select this, okay, the bottom ones to select on it. Then you type the pages you want to print 1 to 10, okay, so you type 1 slash, okay, which is, then put the number for you to be able to print the how many the page length you want to print. Then after that, the next is for you to select the color. Okay, so if you scroll down, you will see color on top of the color. Then you from the side, okay, scroll down to select black and white or color. Okay, so we select black and white. Then the next is print on both sides. Then you use scroll down again to select whether you want to print on one side or print on both sides, or print on both side, flip long or short flip. So we want to print this on both side, flip long. Okay, then the next thing is you can see more setting. If you select more setting, you scroll down again, it will for you to select paper size. So if you want to print A4, A5, B5 photo paper, then you need to select the size of paper you want to print. This paper we have here is A4, so we select A4. Okay, and actual size is 100 A4. Then sheet, 1 page per sheet is 1 page per sheet. And once you've done that, then you select print. So now this document is going to print out from this printer, and here we go, it's getting ready. Now it's going to go back inside in order to print the second page. Remember, we selected print on both sides. So printing on both sides will save you paper. So the good job about this printer is the printer is able to do this automatically. Some printer you need to will print the first one and ask you to turn the other side to print. So but we just need to wait for this. Okay, this is the document we printed out on both sides. We printed this document black and white and on both sides. Now another way, so our job now in this, okay, one side is done. The second way to print out this document is for you to go to this printer is connected to my laptop, okay, via Canon software. You can go to Image Garden, open up Image Garden, then you select print or print a photo. Once you select that, then you need to go to the side, okay, to select the document where you have it. From this PC, you can select this PC as well. Okay, if you have document from this PC, then you can also select desktop or document. Okay, when you select document, then the document you have on this PC will show up for you to be able to print it. Okay, so now these are the document I have on this PC. I'm just gonna open up this. Now this is the document I want us to print. Okay, to print out this document, what you need to do is you need to go on top and select file. If you go on top, select file, you need to make sure the document is open. Go on top and select file. When you select file, the next thing you need to do is select print. Okay, and it will start to dialog, so it's getting ready. Now the next thing is you need to make sure you select the correct printer from the printer setting. Okay, so check and make sure the printer you have showing up on the printer setting is MG 3600 series. Okay, and then the next is you need to select the paper size, which is A4 paper. Okay, now, and paper source is from 3. Print range for you to select all or specific range of paper you want to print. Okay, then if you want to print only one page, you can also select page 1 only. So just okay, so for us to print only one page, so I'm going to select page 1. Then the next is advanced setting for you to select the quality, standard, high standard, or draft, custom. Okay, then once you've done that, select print. Now this document is going to print out. Okay, this is the document we printed out from the using Canon Image Garden. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. So these are ways to print out document. I'm going to show you how to copy documents from this printer. Open up the scanner. Now place the document you want to copy to the scanner face down. Close it. Now you decide if you want to copy color or black. So if you want to copy color, you need to press this button here. Press it once for you to copy color document once. Okay, so this is the document we copied, color 1. Now we want to copy the second page, black. So select black. If you select it twice, we selected black twice, so we want to copy this document twice. So this is the first one, black. So this is the second one. So we copied this document 2 pages and copied color 1. So this is exactly how this works. You just need to press this button here once if you want to copy it color once. If you want to copy color twice, you need to press it twice. If you want to copy black twice, you need to 2 pages, you need to press this 2. Okay, so this is how to copy a document from Canon PIXMA. printer. Thank you very much.